The major limitation of the thiazolidinediones in the treatment of type 2 diabetes mellitus is low hypoglycemic efficacy in moderate to severe cases. Glucose entry into the cells of the following organ or tissues is highly dependent on the presence of insulin, that is adipose tissue. Radioactive iodine is the treatment of choice for the following category of thyrotoxic patients, that is elderly patients with ischemic heart disease. Insulin release from pancreatic beta cells is augmented by the following except alpha adrenergic agonist. Action of insulin does not include the following, that is facilitation of neoglucogenesis by liver. The most important drawback of radioactive iodine treatment of Graves' disease is subsequent hypothyroidism in many patients. Propranolol is used in hyperthyroidism as short-term symptomatic therapy till effect of carbimazole develops. The aim of iodine therapy before subtotal thyroidectomy in Graves' disease is to reduce friability and vascularity of the thyroid gland. The uses of sodium or potassium iodide include the following except as antiseptic. The physical half-life of radioactive iodine 131 is 8 days. In the treatment of hyperthyroidism, carbimazole has the following advantage over radioactive iodine, that is hypothyroidism when induced is reversible. Lugol's iodine is used in hyperthyroidism pre-operatively for 10 to 15 days. The thyroid inhibitor which produces the fastest response is, that is Lugol's iodine. Choose the correct statement about carbimazole. It induces improvement in thyrotoxic symptoms after 1 to 4 weeks of therapy. A 60-year-old man presents with severe hyperthyroidism and multinodular goiter. It was decided to treat him with iodine 131. The most appropriate course of treatment would be propranolol plus carbimazole till severe thyrotoxicosis is controlled, then 1 week of gap, and then iodine 131 resume carbimazole after 1 week for 2 to 3 months. Carbimazole differs from propylthiouracil in that it does not inhibit peripheral conversion of thyroxine to triiodothyronine. The following thyroid inhibitor interferes with peripheral conversion of thyroxine to triiodothyronine, that is propylthiouracil. Overtreatment with the following thyroid inhibitor results in enlargement of the thyroid, that is carbimazole. Carbimazole acts by inhibiting oxidation of iodide. Antithyroid drugs exert the following action, that is inhibit thyroxine synthesis. Thyroxine therapy is indicated in the following conditions except non-functional thyroid nodule. Triiodothyronine is preferred over thyroxine in the treatment of myxoedema coma. The following thyroid inhibitor does not produce goiter when given in overdose, that is radioactive iodine. The most reliable guide to adjustment of thyroxine dose in a patient of hypothyroidism is serum TSH level. Actions of thyroxine include the following except fall in plasma free fatty acid level. Complications of overtreatment with thyroxine include the following except acceleration of atherosclerosis. Trapping of iodide by the following organ or organs is enhanced by thyrotropin, that is thyroid. Triiodothyronine differs from thyroxine in that it has a shorter plasma half-life. Metabolic rate of the following organ is not significantly affected by thyroxine, that is brain. Thyrotropin exerts the following action on the thyroid gland except inhibits proteolysis of thyroglobulin. Serum TSH levels are high in most cases of myxoedema. Adrenocorticotropic hormone is primarily used for diagnosis of pituitary adrenal axis disorder. Gonadotropins are indicated in the following conditions except hypogonadotrophic hypogonadism in males. Superactive GnRH agonists cause initial stimulation followed by inhibition of gonadotropin release after 1 to 2 weeks. Menotropins is a preparation of FSH plus LH obtained from urine of menopausal women. The hypothalamic gonadotropin releasing hormone is a single peptide. Bromocriptine causes the following, that is vomiting. The most prominent action of bromocriptine is dopamine D2 agonism. Gynecomastia can be treated with bromocriptine. Drugs that suppresses growth hormone release in acromegaly include the following except nephroreline. For therapeutic use, growth hormone is obtained from recombinant DNA technique. Hyperprolactinemia can cause the following except multiple ovulation. Octreotide is a long-acting synthetic analog of somatostatin. Somatostatin inhibits the release of, that is, growth hormone, insulin, and thyrotropin. Indications of somatostatin include bleeding, esophageal varices. Actions of growth hormone include the following except increased carbohydrate utilization. Several actions of growth hormone are exerted through the elaboration of insulin-like growth factor first. The following hypothalamic regulatory hormone is not a peptide, that is prolactin release inhibitory hormone. Which hormone acts through a cytoplasmic receptor, that is calcitriol.